and hi, my name is Shahira Binti Zaha, my number metric 09DKM25F1073. Today, our group will present a case study on shaded metal arc welding, also known as SMAW or arc welding. This process uses an electric arc to generate heat strong enough to melt and join to metal surface.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Rania Safia binti Rosli. My metric number is 09DKM25F0168. The principle is simple. Power is supplied to the electrode and the workpiece. When a small gap is kept between them, a high current creates an arc. The arc reaches very high temperature and melts the metal edges, forming a molten pool. When it cools, the joint is formed.
Hello, my name is Rizma Hasri bin Ghazali and my matrix number is 09DKM35S1081. There are several types of machine used for arc welding. First is the direct current DC welding machine. It used as generator or rectifier to produce DC output. DC welding is preferred for thin metals because it provides smooth and stable welding.
Hello, my name is Jagadish, son of Mohana Kumar. Number matrix is 09DKM25F1077. Next is the alternating current AC welding machine. This is the most common because AC is widely available in homes and industries. It has no fixed polarity and is cheapest to maintain. Then we have AC or DC combination welding machine, which allow welders to switch between both types depending on the job requirement.
Next, there are also engine-driven DC generators powered by petrol or diesel. They are very useful outdoors because they do not need external electricity. Lastly, we have electric motor driven by DC generators, which are popular because they provide very stable current with almost no fluctuation.
DC welding has several advantages. It works well with both ferrous and non-ferrous electrode and is ideal for thin sheet metal. AC welding machines are cheaper and require very little maintenance. AC or DC machine give user better control on different types of workpiece.
The disadvantages are DC machines cost more and need maintenance. AC machines have higher electric shock risk and are not good for non-ferrous electrodes. AC and DC machines are the most expensive.
Polarity in welding. In DC welding, polarity is an important factor. With straight polarity, the electrode is negative and the workpiece is positive. Heat concentrates more on the workpiece, but this gives less penetration and a higher electrode burn-off rate.
Reverse polarity, the electrodes becomes positive and the workpiece is negative. These setups give better penetration and is commonly used for welding thin materials because it reduces the risk of burning through the metal.
There are 5 basic types of welding joints. First, the butt joints, where 2 plates are placed in the same plane and joined at the edge. Second, the leg joints, where one plate overlaps another. Third, the T-joints, where a plate is placed perpendicular to the other form a T. Fourth type is the corner joint, where 2 plates meet at a corner, usually form a 90-degree angle. And finally, the edge joint, where the edge of 2 plates are placed side by side and welded, usually used for low stress application or thin material.
Safety elements. Safety is very important in weldings. Welders must wear proper PPE such as welding helmets to protect the eyes and face, safety glasses for chipping slag, heat-resistant glove, flame-resistant clothing, and steel toe boots.
Electrical safety should always be checked. Make sure the equipment is grounded. Inspect cable for damage and avoid welding in wet or damp areas. Power should always be switched off before changing electrodes. Other safety elements include maintaining a clean work area, keeping flammable material away from spark, ensuring good ventilation to avoid breathing fumes, and using welding screen to protect purple debris from arc flash. That is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.